already I have discussed which one is more acidic in between the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. And alcohol is an acid, that also we have discussed, but it is poor acid than water, that also we already have discussed. Now in this video we are discussing that alcohols, it can what are the conjugate base of the alcohol. See, ROH if is your alcohol, then what will be if the bond will be broken from this side, means this bond will be broken, then we will get what, RO minus. I said you this is called alkoxide ion, है ना, alkoxide ion. Now this ion I am now comparing the basic character of the alkoxide ion of the primary, secondary and tertiary alkoxide ion. Suppose you have CH3 CO minus. This is one of your alkoxide ion. Another I have written, suppose CH3 CHO minus. This is secondary alkoxide ion. And another one is CH3 HCO minus. This is primary alkoxide ion, isn't it? Primary, secondary, tertiary alkoxide ion. Now if we compare their basic character, basicity, what is the basic character actually? Basicity, if we see, basic character means how easily it can accept the proton. Okay, so which one will accept the proton more easily? Which one will have the high electron density? So in the tertiary alcohol or tertiary alkoxide ion, we will see what, due to the plus I effect of the alkyl group, the oxygen will have maximum electron density and hence it has the maximum tendency to accept the H plus ion. So basicity will decrease actually like this way. That means the tertiary one will show the highest basic character, then secondary conjugate base, that is alkoxide ion, then the primary. This is the alkoxide ion basic character. Okay, so these are the basic character. Basicity increases, but basicity means the, I said you, how easily it will accept H plus ion. But now I am going to discuss nucleophilicity. Nucleophilicity. Now what is this? If this alkoxide ions will donate its electron to a carbon, then we tell those ions as nucleophile. Now if we see this oxygen, okay, this is having the 3 alkyl groups, that means 3 bulky groups are there, isn't it? So when it will form or it will donate its electron to a carbocation, the bond will be formed. This reaction will be not possible because it is very difficult to happen actually due to the steric hindrance of these 3 bulky groups, isn't it? So it can act as a very poor nucleophile. Another one, see here the steric hindrance is lesser, so the carbocation can attack here, it is easier. Okay, so it is better nucleophile, and in this case the steric hindrance is only for this alkyl group because H is very, hydrogen atoms are very small one, so here the steric hindrance is least actually and higher. So nucleophilicity means what, if the steric hindrance is very high, then the alkoxide ion will act as a very weak nucleophile. So we will see that nucleophilicity actually increases. That means primary alcohol will be best nucleophile, then secondary, then tertiary alkoxide ion. This one will act best nucleophile here. Tertiary will be as a weak nucleophile here. But in the basic character we are seeing what, tertiary will act as a very good, means the better base than the secondary, than the primary. Is it clear? So in this video we have only discussed that what is the character of the alkoxide ion, how it can act as a base, how it can act as a nucleophile. Between the different alkoxide ion we have compared tertiary alcohol, tertiary alkoxide ion, secondary alkoxide ion and the primary alkoxide ion. Am I clear to all of you? So next video we will discuss about the another reactions of the alcohols.